Welcome to Exammap. Today's topic is Law Commission of India. So it is neither a constitutional body or nor a statutory body. It is established by an order of central government from time to time for a fixed tenure, and this fixed tenure is of 3 years. And who will head the Law Commission is completely at the discretion of the government. However, there is a convention that retired judge of Supreme Court will head the India's Law Commission, and its function is to recommend a legislature measures for the purpose of consolidation and codification of laws, that is to conduct legal research and review existing laws to bring in reforms. Its nature is of advisory. So it is of advisory nature, that is, its recommendations are not binding on the government. So as we have seen the history of LIC, that is Law Commission of India, the first Law Commission of India was established in 1934 in the British era under the Charter Act of 1833 under the chairmanship of Lord Macaulay, which recommended codification of Penal Code, CRPC, that is Criminal Procedure Code, and few others matters. And we have our first Law Commission of India in independent India was established in 1955 for the term of 3 years, and this convention is going on of the term of 3 years. And the LCI submits its report to Ministry of Law and Justice, and the other states also can constitute their own law commissions. Thank you, class.